Tramming is a popular word in the world of machining, but what we're going to show you today is not tramming, it's leveling. Leveling your machine will take care of the majority of your spindle alignment issues as they relate to your machine table. Now let's level and not tram this PCNC 1100. You will need several tools to perform this operation. Some of these tools are readily available. Others you will have to purchase, and one you will have to make. Links are available in the YouTube description. A precision level that has a tolerance of 5/10 per 10 inches, 2 1-2-3 blocks, some metal shim stock, an adjustable wrench, an M10 hex wrench, a 10mm piece of bar stock, a dial test indicator, a chuck, a swing indicator holder, clean shop cloths, a machinist stone, water displacement oil, and finally, a DIY jack stand. This is the tool you will have to make beforehand for the PCNC 440 and PCNC 1100 because of clearance issues. There are jack stands available for purchase for the PCNC 770. Details may be found in the YouTube description. The DIY jack stand consists of some scrap metal and a bolt. The YouTube description gives details on the material and includes the project files. You will need a thread mill to complete this do-it-yourself jack stand. Before starting the leveling procedure, you will need to clean out all the chips from the table and in the chip tray. This will help make the process as accurate as possible. Stone the table well with a machinist stone and water displacement oil to remove any burrs. Wipe the table clean with a shop cloth and then use the palm of your hand to carefully check for any burrs or chips. Make sure the machine base is bolted securely to the stand by tightening each bolt head. Reference the machine by clicking on Ref Z, Ref X, and Ref Y. Then move the table in X to roughly the center of its travel and move the table in Y towards the column until it stops. Place the precision level parallel to the X in the center of its travel and flush to the center of the back edge of the table. While a helper checks the level, use the 10mm bar to level the machine using the stand's feet levelers. Go back and forth adjusting the stand's feet until both sets of bubbles indicate level. The stand is now level. To complete the leveling of the PCNC, slowly jog the table forward in Y. This will expose any twist in the base casting of the PCNC. Find the lower corner. Loosen the base bolts. Lift the low spot using the jack screw. Shim the PCNC between the stand and the base. Loosen the jack stand and remove. Tighten the bolts. Repeat moving the table in Y and the shimming sequence until the level reading remains the same from the front to the back of the mill. Insert the dial indicator mounted in the chuck. Check the vertical travel of the Z by running the dial indicator along the length of a 1-2-3 block. Swing the block 180 degrees to verify the squareness of the block. This will check how perpendicular the Z column is in X and Y to the now leveled table. Insert the swing indicator into the spindle. Swing indicate the spindle at 6 inches to see how perpendicular the spindle is. It should be about 6/10 of an inch max for the PCNC 1100 and 770 and 7/10 of an inch max for the PCNC 440. If the measurements exceed these limits, please refer to the gib adjustment procedure for your Z axis. This can be found in your PCNC manual. Once the measurements match, then this leveling procedure is complete and you can start making chips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, you can catch our latest videos here and subscribe to our YouTube channel here for all our newest metalworking tips and tricks.